fun today. It's part 2 of our Keep on Planting series, and we're going to do one of my favorite jobs today. We're going to fill these containers and others up with pansies and violas. This is the perfect time to do it, and as I said, we're going to have a blast, right? Right. Pansies and violas love cool weather. That's why we plant them this time of the year. I planted early in the season, March 17. Now I've taken out some of the impatiens that were here. They had impatient downy mildew. They were done. That disease only affects impatiens, so it's no problem putting the pansies and violas in here. We're going to fill up containers. These plants will last at least until Christmas, and sometimes, depending on the winter, all the way through till spring. Even last winter, we had a tough cold spell there. They lasted all the way through, and it's nice to get those spring blooms. So let's get them in the containers, and our basic theme here is yellow and blue and orange and more blue. I just love the mixtures of the colors, and I'm not really paying much attention to which ones I'm putting in here. It'll be fine, and you'll see when it's all done. It'll look good, I hope. All right, I'm going to put a little water on these, and we have more containers to do. 2 flats to plant yet, 2.5. We're tangled up in blue. Oh, it feels so good to get these plants in for that fall color. And as I said, this fall color is going to last well into winter. Now, before we go up and do a little bit of harvesting, I want to show you one more thing. Well, as you can see, this has been a banner year for acorns. As I was planting up all these containers, that's all I saw in there were acorns sprouting to become oak trees. And it's an old wives' tale that if you get a lot of acorns, that means it's going to be a tough winter. That means we had a great spring for these trees, and they put on lots of acorns, and hopefully the deer will eat these and not stuff out of the garden. All right, let's go up and do a little harvesting. We're in an orchard of pawpaw trees. They are a native fruit tree. They are only tropical fruit, and the only way to get them, unless they drop on their own, is to shake this, and they'll come falling down. Hopefully they won't hit me on the head. Hopefully they won't hit Jessica on the head. And what's interesting is usually we're harvested by 3rd week of September. One tree is completely empty, but this one I can see lots of pawpaws up there, so let's see what we can get down. Ouch! They're ready to be harvested. Let's shake again. All right, now we just pick them up. And when they're soft like this, that's when you know they're good. And there's a ton of them here. Oh, that's a good one. Well, it's a pretty good harvest, and there's still more up on the tree. This whole orchard here started with just 2 trees. You have to have 2 trees, so they pollinate, and they are the easiest tree in the world to grow. And it tastes like a cross between a mango and a banana. There's these big seeds, and I love them. All right, let's go down. Do yourself a favor, keep on planting. This is the perfect time to plant trees, shrubs, bulbs, pansies, but also don't leave anything in the vegetable garden. Harvest everything. Oh, we got all these beautiful super chili hot peppers, and they are hot. Some white bunching onions that we planted last fall, and of course our pawpaws. Check me out online. That's where you can find all sorts of other gardening information and become a member of my Seed of the Month Club. Until next week, I'm going to be planting. Next week, part 3. Keep planting.